Listen to how bad this sounds.
Oh boy. All right. Sure, it's not that bad. We'll see what the kids think. Oh. It sounds exhausted.
It's like the third time I've replaced the gasket.
Third time's a charm.
Yeah, so I'm going to put it in here and we're going to get the Mercedes out of the garage and get this off and change the gaskets real quick.
Okay. Ellie, was that loud?
No, it wasn't.
It wasn't that loud. That's good.
It's been in the air for a week.
It's up in the air if it'll start. Huh, no pun intended. It starts. Yep, she thought that was loud. Griff, can you tell me which tire had been flat before? Where's the spare tire?
Over here.
Is that one the spare?
Yeah.
Is that the one that Daddy...
You gotta buy new tires and wheels. Good old St. Louis potholes. Wrecked the wheel.
Yeah. It was not good.
You gotta buy new tires. Yeah, really fancy car.
What did you say, Ellie? Ooh, that is a powerful smell.
Yeah. Well, when you have the exhaust leak before the cats.
Look at that.
Look at what? Is it leaking?
No, I used to fix it.
Yep. That's the idea, anyway.
This.
That doesn't go there, you goofball.
They're trying to help, though.
The car's gonna fall off if you do that. Griffin, you almost got it right.
Good job, Griff.
Hey, you want to press the button, Griffin?
I think Elliot will.
You want Ellie to press the
Ellie's turn.
It'll go down on the lock. Press. Good job. See, now it's safe. Now we can be underneath it. So right there is where she's leaking.
Oh.
So yeah, we're going to get this unbolted. I hope I can get this apart without breaking these off because I'm going to be in a bad spot. I mean, they're through bolts, so not the end of the world.
Okay.
Let me get some penetrator.
If you say so.
Bolts out.
Okay.
Oh, I just need a wrench. It's safe like that.
It looks, does not look sketchy.
There's the easiest one.
Okay.
All right, we just have a few more. Oh, that's loose. Ooh, that sounded bad. I think I broke it. Uh-oh. Oh, no, it came off.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Yeah, we're fine.
Okay. Whew.
And it wouldn't be the end of the world. It's just a through bolt.
Okay. You have more of them?
Oh, yeah, I got bolts out the wazoo, as they say.
All right. So you don't need to go bolt and get another one.
I got the two easiest ones, as you're supposed to not do. And then now I got to get the hard ones.
Why are they hard? Because they're harder to reach?
I
Or?
can't get anything on the back side of them. I haven't used this wrench in 90 degrees.
Yeah, it's been at least 90 days.
Oh, I got it off. All right. You can just leave the bolt there. Oh, I'll probably have to take it all the way out. There's the washer. Ooh, it's warm. That's like a quote from Dumb and Dumber.
Oh.
Ooh, that's warm.
I was like, well, it wasn't really running that long, so.
No, but it was running long enough. The nuts always like to stick in here. I didn't mean anything by that.
Uh-huh.
All right, let's see if I can get the difficult one. I might need a longer extension.
Okay.
Yeah, longer extension. Yeah, I don't know if this is gonna actually fit in here. Let's see what happens when we just... Oh, it worked anyway, because of the weight of the exhaust pulled it off.
Oh, nice.
So...
Sometimes gravity helps, I suppose, right?
Yeah, if I just... Let's get this gasket off. Ooh, what the heck?
Ugh.
I'd say that one has failed.
Whoa.
Yeah. Yeah, that's what happens when you have aftermarket downpipes and stock exhaust like this car does.
Oh.
All right, so I just gotta push this up a little bit.
Okay. What was that?
That's the other exhaust gasket. I mean, I kind of mutilated it, but it wasn't It wasn't long for this world either.
Are they always that thin?
Like when you say thin, like
They just look so tiny.
this dimension,
Yeah.
or this dimension. They're,
I guess thick.
I'll show you the new ones, but first let's scare the crap out of the kids with the open exhaust.
Oh gosh, that's gonna scare the crap out of me. Let's see how it sounds without those gaskets on them. Is that loud? And he's gone. We lost one. I thought for sure Ellie would be the one that ran and then Griffin ran.
Sounds awesome.
Yeah.
Smells awesome.
Yeah. He doesn't want to rev it. Ellie, do you want to rev it?
You want to rev it?
Nope.
It's quieter inside the car. Wonder how long these are gonna last. There's one.
Okay.
There's two.
Awesome.
These are a little different than the ones I took off. You know, they're new. The other ones were old. It's a
Yeah.
joke.
Oh. Ha. And they're shiny. And they're not broken.
And shiny and not broken.
Yes.
We're gonna put the bolts in their hole. I remember this was less than ideal the last time I did this because I only have two hands. I'm not the deluxe model with more than that.
Need to upgrade.
So we do those bottom ones last, top ones first. So these will stay on the bolts, which is nice.
Yeah, the other ones are bad. These are not bad.
Not bad. Not bad at all.
Not too bad.
There's way too many corny jokes going
I
on
know.
in this.
I was already saying how exhausted we are.
All right, see if I can get this lined up. Oh, the bolts fell out of this thing.
Oh. Oh, snap.
That could be why the gaskets failed.
Oh, because the bolts are gone completely?
Yeah. Well, that's a relatively easy fix.
Okay.
Well, drop the shield. At least this job didn't just get more complicated.
Huh. Is that sarcasm or no?
Oh yeah, 1000% sarcasm. Yes, this is gonna have some oil leaks. It's a BMW. If it wasn't leaking, it'd be empty.
Okay, as long as I'm not standing under a leak.
You are. Did I do this last time?
Who's been in here?
Who was here?
Wait.
This doesn't fit very good. I gotta figure
Here's
this
you.
out. Come on, go all the way on. Go to your home. It's pretty far on there. That works too. If I turn the bolt. This bracket is going to be a problem. Hey, we're in the almost there land. As long as I can get this thread before my hands get tired. You know, we're gonna zip a couple more bolts out of this shield.
Okay.
And it's actually not too wet under here. That's surprising for a BMW.
If you say so. That's good. Whoa. Ah!
Holy cow. What the heck?
Okay. It was like hiding in the car. What the heck?
Did you see I kicked it, but very weakly?
Well, if the
I don't know where it's at, but...
well, you just had to open the shield up more. Imagine if you didn't, then it probably would have fallen like right on you.
Yeah, that would have been ungood. Kind of start to tighten these up.
That was fun. Thanks for
Dang it, Fievel.
Fievel. Oh, yeah. I forget what that movie's called.
What?
I've
Fievel Mouskowitz? You don't remember that?
No, I remember the movie. I just can't remember the name of it.
Oh, I'm not gonna tell you. All right. I gotta get that hard one. I always save the hardest one for last.
Okay. Okay. So the final bolt, right?
We got it.
Yes.
Yeah. No problem. I mean, it was a problem, but
It was, but
it sucked.
it's fine.
Alright, I gotta find something to hold that. There's one. Alright, let's give it the old, little bit more effort than it needs to have.
Okay.
That's tight. That's tighter. I think it torqued us back, you know?
Yes.
Oh, this is gonna be fun because that one, give me my socket back, please.
It took it?
It did take it.
Huh.
That feels tight. What is going on here?
Is it not aligned?
It's not aligned. I wonder if I loosen the downpipes. Let's try that. I don't think that did anything. Move that way. Looks like maybe I hit the exhaust on something. It's not lowered.
I mean, it fit before.
At some point, I don't remember. That does it. I don't like it, but that does it.
Give it a little tappy tap.
Yeah, I'm gonna do it some more here. All right, I just gotta get these tight,
Okay.
and then it's better than it was. Apparently.
Sweet. Better than before. I'd say a pretty big improvement.
I mean, if I don't have to replace these again, I'm gonna be very happy.
Yeah.
I don't want to do work twice.
Nope.
Okay.
Okay.
Now we just gotta put the seal back on.
Well, tighten the other ones, right?
Yeah, I gotta tighten this.
Okay.
Depleted.
Yeah, getting low. Looks nice.
It's better.
Real nice, like.
Just almost breaking, and then that's it. That's the torque spec.
Okay.
Alrighty.
Okay.
Take this down.
Hey,
That didn't go tight. I don't know why.
said feed it what it wants. I guess it didn't want that one.
You never want to go like too crazy. There's a fat one here. I think that one goes. There's something that's supposed to be on a stud there. I don't know where's the location of that one.
I don't know. I see a stud under the car.
Oh. Sorry. I'm on a different page currently.
It's fine.
Let's put the fat one here. No, that doesn't go there for sure.
You just tried to drop kick it.
Like I was gonna,
How did that go?
That I was gonna
Yeah.
find it. I think the fat one goes in the back over here.
Okay.
I'm sure someone will correct me.
Yeah. Where does the fat one go?
Hey, why you gotta do me like this? All right.
Okay.
That's probably not going anywhere.
Probably.
Yeah. Now let's lower it down and see if she's quiet.
All right.
I'm really happy to get this exhaust full.
All right. Let's see how it sounds. Oh yeah.
Very quiet.
Yeah. It's almost as quiet as the mouse that jumped out of the car.
I'm not happy about that.
No. But we're happy about this.
I'm gonna
Awesome.
run for a minute. Still hear a faint leak.
Is it?
Nah, it's just the downpipes.
Oh.
They're a bit louder.
Oh. So for the viewers, is this stock?
No.
No.
This car has RB Stage 1 turbos, which are slightly better than stock. It has inlets, down pipes, front mount charge pipe, and MHG, and makes like 420-ish to the wheels or something. It's not that crazy.
Yeah.
Still gets 25 miles to the gallon.
Yes, we like that.
It's your cake and eat it too car for me, but unfortunately it's still an automatic for now.
I like it. It's fun to drive.
You've driven this quite a bit.
Yes. All right.
Well, I'm content. Let me give you some revs and make sure we don't blow a gasket out of it right away.
Yeah. Or another mouse, huh?
I'd be fine blowing them out.
Oh, it's warm. Okay.
It's quiet again.
Smoking.
All right, I can drive this tomorrow.
Yay. Sounds good.